students, today we are going to talk about table manners and how to greet our hosts and become a part of the gathering that we've been invited to in the most sophisticated manners possible. So what is table manners? Table manners is the art of eating with friends, families, colleagues and relatives. This art helps us with interacting, this art helps us eating our foods mindfully, and let us see how it is done. First and foremost, we are supposed to wash our hands, and as soon as we enter the premises, we are to greet everyone inside around. It could be the host, it could be the people that you've gotten there with, or people that you're meeting there. Greeting is the first and foremost part of beginning with your meals. The second thing is, how are you supposed to be seated? So you pull your chair slightly, you sit, and you sit straight. You should not be bending. Your elbows should not touch the table. Your hands should be in this position. You will see and settle your plates as in the levels of your palms and your hands, where you can reach out to the cutlery in the most easiest manners. Now to begin with, we have a napkin over here. We're going to place this onto our laps. So this is how we open it. If your laps are tiny, you could also keep them folded in this manner, and then place it onto your lap, so that all the food that you eat, if it falls by any chance, you have this mat here to protect your clothes and to help it from staining. Correct? So we're going to place this mat in this direction on our laps, and then I'm seated. How do we use our cutlery? Our spoons and knives go into the dominating hands, preferably our right hand, and the fork that we use to eat it with, or that supports our knives and our spoons, goes onto our left hand, or the hand which is not dominating for that matter. So if I have say a slice of pizza on my plate, how am I supposed to eat it in the most acceptable manner? Is it going to be this? Nom nom? No. It is ideally use a knife with a fork, put it in, and then cut your pieces slightly with your tiny fingers. And if you're not able to do that, ask mama or anybody who's around for help. All your beverages, waters are going to be on the right side, so you can easily take a sip and then put them back here. What do you do after you have completed eating? So you put your fork and knife in the center of the plate, stating that you have completed eating. While eating, do not talk to anybody, because your mouth is going to be full with food. But as soon as you complete chewing, make sure that you breathe and interact with everyone who's around the table, so it feels like an inclusive setup. These are certain mindful tips and techniques. What do you do with this napkin? You simply fold it reverse, make a triangle out of it, and then put it here, so the next person who comes, they know that you use this. Alright? So this is from me. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any doubts and queries regarding this. Greetings, good times, bye.